Today, going to show you how to get a clown car in this game. This is if anybody downloaded this game. This game is called Hurricane Hero. So yeah, we're going to be finding that car. If you hit me, Stu just hit me. Freak, man. That's only your car, man. I'll bust out the windows too. Give me the monster truck. Give it to me now. Give me the monster truck. Give me the freaking monster truck. Mother trucker. You hit me, I swear to God. 1, 3. Oh no, he got a mini gun. Give me the van. Give me the van. Give me the garbage truck. Oh, the trucker. Forget my little trucker. Aha, buddies. Yeah, skateboard. Get back. Gotta run. Gotta get the skateboard. Let's go, homie. Oh God, he got the minigun. He got the minigun. Like, get out of here. He got that minigun. God darn it, this ain't never do that. Oh no, I just ran by the police. Let go dim way. And here is your own clown car. Maybe. But before I take the clown car, I need me a job. Hop off my skateboard. But I still am keeping my skateboard. I will come back for my skateboard after I use the clown to the car. Let's go inside this place. Let's see. Excuse me, lady. Do you work here? Cause I need me a haircut. Oh, am I cutting your hair? Oh, yeah, I need to. I wish medium hair, marvelous, medium curly, and medium expensive. How about that? Oh, so you don't like it? I wish medium cut, marvelous, straight, and medium expense. Ooh, I like that. Really, I really do. So she wants some straight, yeah. I don't know why my character is here.
Shake me.
And which medium. You gotta do what you. Yes, made $6.
Shake it.
I wish long cut. Ha, straight. Medium expensive. So you want it non-curly? Man, I want to give her this hair. Should I give her this hair? No.
Game over.
You don't like it? Okay, get out the store then.
Please. Are you ready?
Medium cut. Yes, thank you.
Shake me.
I wish long cut. Get the heck.
Great. Showtime.
Showtime. I'm not really making money.
Great. Too late.
Wait a minute, I thought I already gave her him. Ooh, I like this gaming set though. Take that. Yes, thank you. Take that. That looks beautiful.
Shake it.
I wish long cut and curly.
Are you ready?
I wish long. It looks beautiful.
Shake it.
I wish medium cut.
Amazing.
I am making money.
Let's go.
I wish long cut.
Are you ready?
I wish short cut.
Bravo.
Is that beautiful enough for you?
Shake it.
Why are they saying shake it?
All right.
I wish short cut.
Amazing.
You really like that?
You do. Shake it. Wow. Are you ready? Marvelous. Shake it.
I wish long cut.
Wow.
You really do. Short cut.
Cute.
You look like Harley Quinn.
Showtime.
I wish shortcut.
Wow. Shake it.
Now I'm making money.
Perfect. Showtime. Wow. Showtime. Please.
Oh my god. Your son will like you with that hair. I wish shortcut.
Wow. Showtime.
This is the last girl. Wait a minute, no. This ain't not going to be the last girl because I need to make money.
Hurdle.
I'm making some money like for real. Shortcut.
Wow.
Okay, that's enough because I just realized I'm buying here. And at the same time, It's just crazy. Like, I'm buying with the money that they're giving me. Then at the same time, I get money. But I don't want to do that. No, I ended up here. Give me that bike. Bike thingy. I want it. I want it. I want it. Thanks, man. I really need this. The city deserves me riding this. Because I sound like an old man when I speak to women. They are so fabulous and they get to touch. It just forgot that I have a map that I could have been with. I don't see clowns, so we're gonna have to go all the way this way. I'm gonna be stressed out when I get there. Ooh, I'm gonna be stressed out. Unless I use my flying powers. Yeah, it's not gonna work. If I go, everyone in the city, stay safe. Hope you like my hurricane. I can tell this is already something. Airport, I'm about to break a... I was about to say I'm about to break a lane. I meant I'm about to break a plane. Because I wanna. Come on, man. Stop making me land on the ground. I want to break a plane. 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 Can I actually get in it? Get in it. Probably not. Probably not. No, for real though, can you actually get in this thing? Or no? Because I would like to fly this thing. Well, seems like you can't. But I know for sure that I'm gonna break it. Why can't it die? Why won't the plane die? Freaking idiots. Ugh. Can I please fly this? The freak? What the heck? Yay! We're back in the city. Everybody, we bought a plane to the Witty. We bought a plane to the Witty. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? Freaking all mad with me. with you, buddies. Bro, fucking. This dude just freaking run me over. Another trucker. You about to die, mother trucker. You about to die. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a turret. Oh my god. You shooting acid at me. Oh my god. Somebody help me. Oh my god. Can I get in the force field? Oh my god. Take this. This force field's not gonna be a match for me that long. We gotta go, y'all. We gotta go. We gotta go find me a turret. Where are they at? They're somewheres over theirs. Oh gosh, dang it. Freaking cops after me. Oh no. Time to land on ground and get this sweet baby card. Gosh, dang it. He broken. Wait a minute. For one, all of them can't even ride, so... Gosh dang it, why can't I destroy it? I want to destroy it so bad. Hey, rude. Giant mech. This is what I'm talking about. My first and ever Mitch. Time to hop inside. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Whoa. Feels weird, but feels good. And I can change guns, flamethrower, and lightning. Yeah. Let's go back to the city. Go and fight that other stupid mech. Why is my mech? Since I glitched something. There's another mech. um, we have cops and stuff after me, and I don't know if they're going to be people coming after me or not, but I hope it doesn't. Guess what? I glitch, so I fly. Guess what? I glitch, so I fly. I don't care how many stars I get. You all must pay for your must say. I'm just going to knock down stars. Not care. Where's the other myth? Oh yes, God. Shouldn't be okay. Then people are still up there. You'll never kill me or stop me from killing all these people. Cause I heard the sound. Where is the idiot at? That's what I've been trying to get. I've been trying to find some, like, tanks, but I haven't yet. No, look, something went wrong. Don't mind me. Something went wrong, so, I'll be right back with a different game, I guess, cause, that's the only choice I have to do, so see ya. Okay, me back, and I am with this game. And it's really like a really weird game and all type stuff, but I'm just gonna play it. Gosh dang it! I was so close. Hmm. 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 How am I not hitting? I keep pressing up. Dang it. Freak you. Frick you. Frick you, you freaking peck. Freak! Why won't it let me hit? Let me hit, let me hit. This dagger ain't playing no games. You little scumbag. Promise you that's a scumbag. Dude! Let me hit. Let me hit. Gosh, Lee. Let me hit. Hmm. 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 I swear to God, this game is so lame. Why do games have to be so stupid? You guys tell me right now. What's the matter with games if you can't control the buttons? They need to have buttons in a game. Have buttons in a game. Freaking stupid game. How am I gonna get the 15 coins when I ain't that good? That don't make no sense. Stupid. Gosh dang, guys. Cat 1, Cat 2. Home cooked games. Artist, developer, Cat 1, Cat 2. Belt. I have not got a belt. No belt. Enemies killed. Deaths. Coins collected. Highest coin combo. Coins spent. Gifts opened. Duplicate items won. I'm not that good. I'm trash. I'm telling you that right now. Wah! Wah! You know what? Just gotta like focus a bit and freaking stab up. Why won't you stab? Every time, look, every time I put my stuff going straight, it just freaking, you just like, it's just stupid because you have to freaking put your finger up. You gotta freaking slide. You gotta, look, you have to move at the same time, freaking put your finger up. That's stupid. You should have freaking buttons for this game. Dude, I swear to God, this game's so trash. Developer, guess what? Guess what I think about your game? Your game is Chinese for one. 3, your game needs buttons that can correctly have someone to kill. Gosh dang. And what I think about your kind is lame because for one, your kind made the coronavirus. And now we can't sit down and eat at a regular restaurant because you guys thought you could kill Donald Trump. But you couldn't, and you messed it up. It made the coronavirus. Now how you think about that out of my mouth? That was sad, right? Okay, you know what? I hate this. Freaka! How am I supposed to... You know what? I'll be right back. I hate this game anyways.